Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. Coconut oil is popular and frequently preferred as hair oil around the world. But don't take our word for it. Before you start using this oil for its many benefits. In this video, we are going to share with you 5 super benefits of coconut oil for hair growth. So, keep watching to know what makes it so special and why millions of people choose to use it. Number 1. Acts as a hair conditioner. Not only does coconut oil moisturizes your skin, but it also conditions your hair. Apply some oil on your scalp and hair, and leave it overnight. Wash your hair the next day, and see the result for yourself. Number 2. It helps reduce the frizz. If you are struggling with frizzy hair, then coconut oil is your go-to solution. Just apply some oil on your hair, to ensure you have no frizzy hair, even if you are exposing them to heat. Make sure you are not using too much heat on your hair. Number 3. Minimizes dandruff. One of the most common causes of dandruff is dry scalp. All you need to do is to massage your scalp with warm coconut oil, and coat the rest of the hair too. Let the oil sit on your scalp for 30 minutes, before washing it off with water. Number 4. Coconut oil to protect hair from sun damage. This oil is a great product, when used as a natural sunscreen. Work a few drops of warm coconut oil on your hair strands in the morning, when you know your hair is going to be exposed for a long period in the sun. Massage the remnants of oil from your fingers onto the ends of the hair. Style as usual before you step out. Number 5. Hair damage. According to a research study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science, the use of coconut oil on hair helps reduce protein loss in both damaged and undamaged hair. This oil is rich in lauric acid, has a high affinity for hair protein, and easily penetrates inside the hair shaft, due to its low molecular weight. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Watching for more videos, subscribe to our channel.